middle of festivities, we're here with mom. I've brought her to a place that I saw on DIY. Actually, DIY Jojo was here.
Oh, she was here.
Yeah, so it's ex-Japan things.
I thought it was plastic.
So many things. So let's look around, let's shop, and then I'll show you guys what I'll get because you know I'm obsessed with the Asian culture. Obsessed.
Phone rings. She said to pick her up, but that's a bad call. Timing. I don't wanna regret it when it goes wrong. Yeah, well she's in my car, but she's out of my league. Only in my arms temporarily. She looks pretty when she grits her teeth, cause her boyfriend sucks and she knows he cheats. Cries on my shoulder, but I can't see why she's not with me. She looks funny when she bites her tongue, cause she likes my lips, but she won't move on. She said just friends and I can't see why she's not with me. Her phone rings, but I really think she's gonna let it buzz out. Well, how sweet, I think I know what's on her mind, just say it out loud. Yeah, well she's in my car, but she's out of my league. Only in my arms temporarily. She looks pretty when she grits her teeth, cause her boyfriend sucks and she knows he cheats. Cries on my shoulder, but I can't see why she's not with me. She looks funny when she bites her tongue, cause she likes my lips, but she won't move on. She said just friends and I can't see why she's not with. What if I only like her because she's out of my grip? No, if she gave me the chance, I know that I wouldn't slip, because she holds on to something I know she never wanted. Yeah, I should probably leave, but she's leaning in. Well, she's in my car, but she's out of my league. Only in my arms temporarily.
Unaongea sasa. Yeah? The rice is fluffy. Haven't even tried the chicken. It's a good recipe, guys. It's by Chef Ali in the description.
And all of the small talk, but keep looking for the door. Then cut to you, cross the room in your vintage Levi's. What do I do with this view? Wait, hold up, is this a meet cute? Oh my god, like Rachel McAdams in the notebook, cause I keep on staring and the whole world stops. Theme song is playing, just together. What? Don't blame me, just a dream. Oh, this is absolutely a meet cute. Oh my God, like Rachel McAdams in the Notebook, 'cause I keep on staring and the whole world stops. Theme song is playing, just a Friday night, but it feels like the start of the rest of my life. Oh my God. Oh my God. Subtle smile and walking towards I like your eyes on my own. I do blue, this is it, I'm done. It's over. Go ahead, tell everybody we will talk for hours and hours. You'll always surprise me with flowers. This is it, I'm done. It's over. Go ahead, tell everybody. Oh my God, like Rachel McAdams in the Notebook, 'cause I keep on staring and the whole world stops. Theme song is playing, just a Friday night, but it feels like the start of the rest of my life. Subtle smile walking towards I like your eyes on my own. I do blue, this is it, I'm done. It's over. Go ahead, tell everybody we will talk for hours and hours. You'll always surprise me with flowers. This is it, I'm done. It's over. Go ahead, tell everybody.
She was playing volleyball. I never miss her phone call. She's got me doing somersaults. I swear to God, I think I felt my heart fall. She likes the way I play the game, but once it gets late and over, there's no peace of mind. Asking me why, I don't wanna lie. There's one line between friends and lovers. Yeah. When you find the time and we talk under the covers, I just wanna dance when we're talking on the phone. Can I hold your hand when we take the long way home? I can't get enough. You're my favorite drug. Just give me some love. She knows her way around the place. Call me later, but forgot my name. Move down south, let me ride the waves. Summer skin, she don't want the shade. Pick you up, we enjoy the ride. But once it gets late and over, there's no peace of mind. Asking me why, I don't wanna lie. There's one line between friends and lovers. Yeah. When you find the time and we talk under the covers, I just wanna dance when we're talking on the phone. Can I hold your hand when we take the long way home? I can't get enough. You're my favorite drug. Something I've longed for, but never found. Watch my friends fall in love. It's in the air, all around. I met you one night, not long ago. Knew if I kept bumping into you, would fall like a domino. Love's a game, all is fair. If it's war, then I'll fight. Just to be by your side. So you've been hurt by another lover. Leave them in the past. Leave them in the past.
Hey guys, it is a new day. We are going to a Japanese restaurant. No, we're going to a Japanese supermarket that is owned by a Japanese restaurant. It's owned by Shokudo, so I'm really excited for that because I posted a video of me shopping in Asian supermarkets, and in that video there was 2 Chinese supermarkets and one Korean one. I posted it on TikTok and it's gotten so much attention. Nilipost jana usiku and today it's at 56k views and there are so many comments. And some comments are out of pocket. I'm gonna link the video so you can go read those comments. Ati, you know, you're gonna eat dog and cats. And then somebody's like, it's not like you don't eat dogs and cats in your samosas. Do you know where the meat of samosas is coming from? And I was like, yeah. Like, it's just, the comment section is hilarious. So just wanted to add another place that people can go and shop. And the reason why I'm really showcasing Asian supermarkets is because I'm a foodie. I like enjoying and experiencing different things. It has nothing to do with the race, the people are making it look like. It doesn't have nothing to do with that. Plus, the Chinese are here. Might as well embrace them. We owe them a lot of money. You know, beggars cannot be choosers. We cannot start being racist to them also. It doesn't work like that. We're supposed to be the bigger people, you know? Anyway, I don't want to dwell on that, but I'm excited. I can't wait to get some Kewpie products because Kewpie mayo is also Japanese, and you guys know I love Kewpie mayo. Anyway, so today I'm wearing my icon dress again. You know, as in, look at the material. Look at the material. Let me tell you, Icon is gonna just take all my money. They've released a Valentine's collection, and I'm just looking at all those pieces, and I'm like, I'm trying to save. But it's so nice. It's really flowy and open. I love it. And I can hide my stomach. I can eat as much as I want and nobody's gonna see my stomach. Anyway, guys, let's go see this Japanese supermarket and see the few things that I'm going to get. We're back home, and let me tell you, this heat, it's saying it's 30 degrees, but it feels like it's 40. Actually, it feels like it's 50. Like, it's so hot. I think that's why I feel so tired. Anyway, guys, Japanese supermarket was a hit. Absolutely loved it. I got a few things I'll show you guys. We ended up going to Chinatown. We had silk noodles as usual. So we usually have the beef noodle soup. No, the beef noodles. I'm so sorry. We usually have the beef noodles and dumplings. And today we tried the cucumber, which was quite good and refreshing. And then we also tried the bakery. We always pass it, but we never tried it. And we tried it today. Although, not really tried it. We bought something from it. We bought Hokkaido bread. I've always had Hokkaido bread from the creators that I usually watch, the Japanese ones. And then, of course, we usually have boba. I always get the brown sugar, which is really good. And then this time Hillary tried a juice, because I know some people usually like tea, or they're lactose intolerant, so they definitely don't want anything to do with milk. So you can try that. The name of it is this. It was quite refreshing. It also has like tapioca, but it's kind of different, but it definitely has the tapioca at the bottom. Oh yeah, and also don't forget, if you're having boba or any of these things, especially you mix them fast. Let's move the mix so that you can enjoy. So I'm so tired, guys, but I'll definitely do a haul for everything that I got and try the different things with you. Actually, we got some buns. We got some buns. I don't know whether we are supposed to eat them like that or we're supposed to steam them, because the Chinese lady who was giving us, when we said steam, she said no. So I was like, okay. We didn't get any more information. But anyway, guys, we're already home. Hatuna hata internet. We'll catch up later. Guys, like I said, you know, the haul was coming. It's here. Okay? It's now. It's now. So let me show you guys everything that I got. So the first thing that I really wanted to get was this. This is Kewpie deep roasted sesame dressing. So this is a dressing like for a salad. And I'm excited because every time you go like to a Japanese restaurant, they usually have a complimentary salad and the dressing is always so good. So I'm hoping this is the one. I can taste the similarities from all the salad dressing I usually get from this Japanese restaurant. It's really nice. It's strong. It's strong, but I really like sesame taste. If you don't like the sesame taste, don't get this. Don't get this at all, but this is so good. I'm so happy. The next thing is black sesame ice cream. Let me tell you, this is something I've always wanted to try. Let me make sure to stay. It smells like ice cream. There's no distinctive like sesame smell. 8 out of 10. It's at 8 out of 10. The next thing that I got is mochi. I've never had mochi before. I'm so excited. I don't even know how to describe it, honestly. Almost like unga ya chapo. That's what I must say. That's how it feels like. It's like just a kadowy, soft thing. But let's bite into it. I don't even know what's inside. I don't know. It has red bean. I've tried a red bean ice cream. I kind of like it's a taste that you need to get used to because it's like beans with sugar. I know a lot of I know Koreans do that a lot. Now I know Japanese do it also, but it's something that you get used to. So I don't know if I'd recommend this kabisa. So I rate this 6 out of 10. I'm gonna rate this a 6 out of 10 because only the sugar and the bean takes a bit to get used to. But I really like the texture of the mochi. So this is something I've already tried before. It's Kewpie mayo. I absolutely love it. I feel like the depth of flavor that it has is amazing. So this is a 9 out of 10. For mayo, it's expensive, but it's worth it. So we also got this kakuniman. So basically it's a pork bun. That's all I'm gonna say. It's a pork bun. So it has pork belly inside, but this needs to be steamed. I'll probably do it. I'll update you guys in the comments about how it is because I can't do it right now. Hokkaido bread. Look at the packaging. Beautiful, fabulous. Look, it's like a ching 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 ching. I know it's supposed to be really soft. That one I know. I just don't know how to eat it. So I'll just unwrap it. So you can see it's actually bread. It has sweet cream inside. Probably butchering how it's supposed to be. Look at this. Cha cha cha. Ching 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 cha cha. Anyway, I'll break one of the quarters. It does have cream inside. That's an 8 out of 10. This is so good. It's so soft. This is definitely not the bread that you're gonna dip in tea because it's probably just going to dissolve. It's that light and soft. And then the cream, it's so light also. And not too sugary. We also have these 2 drinks. They're called Pororo. And I've just realized this is actually not Japanese. They're a product of Korea. South Korean things are just good. So I'm sure I'm going to enjoy this. So I took 2 flavors. We have strawberry and we have tropical. So let's try it. This reminds me of Kwencha packaging ya kitambo. It's sweet. It reminds me of something. I've tasted something like this before. I just don't know what it is. But this is a 10 out of 10. Ooh, it's a 10 out of 10 too. What's going on? This is going to be my favorite drink now. Actually, I like both of them. I like the strawberry and I like the tropical. You know, sometimes the tropical can be heavy. It's not heavy. It's light. I'm just be a child. refreshing. Anyway, that's it, guys. Let me know if you find other Asian supermarkets that you'd want me to try, and let me know if you want me to try like snacks from there, or you want me to go back to where we eat, because there are so many other restaurants. You want me to go and try them and let you guys know. Wow, aeroplane. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, I'm fighting, saying forever I'm not down with the dude. He taking me for a fool. I talked to the king of kings. He been showing me things.
Now the intro for every video, and then after that, now I'm gonna say joining us today to my. Should I start with left or right? I think to my right sounds better. Yeah. So I'm gonna say joining us today to my right we have. Yeah, you said your name. Yeah, you said your name and what you do. So we go like this.
I'm tapping into the truth. Come on. I'm fighting Satan forever. He's shifty and super clever and told me I'm at the center. But I talked to the king of kings. He been pulling the strings. The music is for whoever. Yeah. Remind me of my youth when I'd wake up early Saturday morning to watch the sunrise, and then a little anime to make the boredom go away, and I'd sneak in.
You guys can't believe the Kate influences me. Sometimes I find myself doing things that she does, and I hold for a moment and I'm like, what is wrong with you, Mama Kate? Like, can you calm down?
I am the ultimate influencer. How many people can say they've influenced their mothers to do anything? I have influenced my mom to start a YouTube channel, to post on Instagram. You cannot tell me anything. I'm the best influencer ever. And that's on period.
Nini? Alafu nifanye hivi nianguke niko kwa video. Naweza rusha hiyo simu mbali? No, seriously. It's beautiful.
I mean, it's from you. What are you expecting?
No, you have very beautiful skin.
What are you expecting? It's called Judin Jogu Jeans.
Oh my God.
Thank you. Thank you for this beauty. I appreciate it.
Nonsense.
Thanks.
And your malnutrition the bag. What is that?
This is Sandstop, just a Timeyosha.
Ona yangu, it's full. You know, it's healthy. It's giving healthy vibes. Ona.
Wait.
A malnutrition cow.
Sandstop should be like, you know, we're making a McDonald's.
And I'd sneak in the kitchen bank to grab me some leftover chicken and jollof rice. I said, when I get old, I'ma wear me some big suits and ties. Hit my main guy like, when you coming through, we got some big moves to make. Bring a camera and a sharp eye. I'm on the way. It's crazy how time fly. Used to see a black white, but now I see a tie-dye. I used to let it all slide, but now I play the umpire. Ghana or Arizona, either way, we on the west side. Y'all not messing with the feng shui. I spit a bouquet.
Why is the flash on?
I change a bad thing to some sweet chocolate souffle. The foolish do say I might miss, but I don't pump fake. Yeah, they love to call you crazy till your genius flies. I let it be and send a wish up to the sky.
You shall be cancelled for your thought.
Exactly.
And listen, they said what they said.
Hi, Tevina. She's on call, but you know. Hi, Werimo.
Hi.
Mr. Busy.
We have
Trevor. Hello.
Let it be and send a wish up to the sky. That's some wisdom from the older folk. They told me that we gon' be alright. If I could wish upon a shooting star, I'd wish to be wherever it is that you are. I'm fighting, saying forever I'm not down with the dude. He taking me for a fool. I talked to the king of kings, he been showing me things. I'm tapping into the truth. Come on, I'm fighting, saying forever. He's shifty and super clever and told me I'm at the center. But I talked to the king of kings, he been pulling the strings. The music is for whoever. This year, I'm turning every season Kofi season. This year, I'm only
I thought that was my phone.
I believe in. This year, the
No,
purchase
my
on
lap.
fifth year, the magic on 5th year. Ain't pleading on 5th year. We telling all. Pop Pops is going back to Ghana for a little, for some holistic healing on his leg. And I think that's something beautiful, cause here you'll need a miracle along with all that medicine they're giving you just to get you out of bed. But there, it's like the air freer, the clouds calm, the hair braided, the pores clearer, the herbs grown, the sun shining, the skin glowing, and the kids strong, the folks running, the smell freedom, the pheromones. Yeah. Spit water, this ain't the shiny. Fire on top the earth till I light up the air around me. If you tryna find me, you find me by Adonai. You tryna sign me, the whole team got a cosign. The world might be a sham, but I ain't walking around in shambles. Anointed feet, oil, olive skin, wet sandal. I'm sipping Shoot Campbell and speaking life all I can. Don't worry, fam, the kingdom don't cancel. So turn the music up louder and play it through the night. They love to call you crazy till they see your genius fly. You gotta let it be and throw a prayer in the sky. Whoa, 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 whoa. They love to call you crazy till your genius flies. I let it be and send a prayer to the sky. That's the wisdom from the older folk. They told me that we gon' be alright. If I could wish upon a shooting star, I'd wish to be whoever it is that you are.
So guys, we're done shooting for Steph, but we're still here. Here she is. She was shooting for Blushbox. Blushbox, guys, Blushbox. So what do Blushbox do?
They are a retail makeup brand. Yeah, and you can be able to find your favorite products from them. But they stock a lot of makeup and skincare, from those of colors to uncovers,
Simona, color pop.
color pop.
Even this.
Yeah, they also stock this Helio Care, which is actually
Nice.
an amazing sunscreen.
This is the sunscreen. It's so nice and it smells great.
Yeah.
So tumeambia Steph tumepiga order. Njambia amesema for my birthday.
Yeah.
I don't want anything else.
What for my birthday?
Exactly.
And
Exactly.
it's so good because it's like a spray. It's
Yeah,
like
it smells
liquid.
stable.
And it smells so good. Test for the
Lazima
videos.
tuoneshe. Woo!
Look at that.
Have you? Exactly.
Yeah.
Na ukienda kununua mseme mmetumwa na Steph.
Unatumwa mimi. Thank
Miss
you.
Stephanie Nyenges.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she actually got me to do my makeup. I was like, let me just, use my products.
Yeah.
I was telling her they're probably expired. But I like the look actually.
You look so good.
Nimejaribu.
Wow.
Nimejaribu.
Must be seen. Must be seen.
Yeah, so I think the day will end here. I'll catch up with you guys later.
Bye.
Hey guys, how are y'all? Hellos everyone. So I'm here getting ready with Steph. Steph, lazima usalimiane. She's here struggling with her look. She has been struggling for a while now, but I think it looks okay. I don't know why she's struggling. We are getting ready for what are we getting ready for? A watch party, yeah. And that's on period. This will have been Steph's watch party that we are going to, but I don't know. I don't know what happened in the middle, but we've been invited by Susan Kaitani. Imagine, like directly, out of the blue, just like that. She has invited us for a watch party, and it's in Westlands. I think Delta Chambers or something like that. Yeah, so I did this hair just to give my look an added oomph. It's giving 90s. I feel like our parents used to have such hair. But I feel like it looks nice. And I'm wearing black and white. That's the theme. And Steph is wearing, you'll see, actually. You'll see when we get there. So I just want to finish up and then we can leave the house. We're supposed to be there at 6 and right now it's basically 5. But also we're not trying to be the first ones, but also we want to get nice seats, we want to give you guys the tea. You must see our reactions. You must see. Yeah, actually I did not say we are going for the watch party for the Real Housewives of Nairobi. Unajua nimesema tu watch party without any, yeah. But like I'd said, it was supposed to be Steph who to do it for us. Because Steph, like, she knows the whole, like, Real Housewives franchise. She knows what's supposed to be there, So it was supposed to be a nice, interesting experience for us. But it's okay. Next time, it's going to be her. Actually, she'll be the host. She'll be like, guys, actually, can you imagine you doing the, like, reunion? That would be so amazing because I know Seth would ask such great questions, throw some shade here and there, but in a classy way. But would definitely enjoy it. Anyway, I ramble a lot. Let me just finish getting ready, and then we'll see you guys there.
This time you're all I need. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. They have these curtains, I know for certain you'll give me clarity. And after that, whatever's lurking, I think it's working. You got the spell on me.
We can have a public one that's open for people after this, but this is for family, this is for people I love, and it means each one of you tonight is special and dear to me.
I feel
My brother!
And you know that I'm the type to just roll with it. Don't need fancy for cold living. All I want is your caregiving, red feeling. I just wanna keep you up to the morning. Do a little exploring. Love me good till it's pouring. Storming, baby, put it down on me. At this time you're all I need.
fashion. You guys have brought it.
If you all of my time could be partners in crime, just say I'm yours, you're mine. Ain't got nothing to hide. If you come to my side, I'll put you on it right. And if you need a sign, get to you right. Anything comes, anything goes. Now I got you, never let go. Gotta hit nice every ankle. And I can't feel you know I'm sprung. Better fulfill my fantasies. Gotta see if you're into me. Baby, we'll make a symphony. Symphony.
Guys, let me tell you. Oh. It's me having a salad in the morning. Like, what's happening? Who is it? Who is this? Anyway, guys, so this is a salad that I got from Roro's. It's actually two different salads. They opened at Waterfront, so they were having like a buy one get one free on Jumia. So that's what I got. So one of it is like a chicken salad, and the other one is like a falafel salad. So I mixed half of the chicken and half of the half of the falafel, and then there were some fruits that were about to go bad, so I just added them on top. I actually like fruit in salad. I feel like it adds, different texture, like a oomph. Yeah, so this is the aftermath of yesterday from the private screening party of Real Houses of Nairobi. I was so happy to go there. So Sonal, like Sonal is usually so down to earth. The amount of times I've met her, she's always super nice. Like super nice. I don't know if this table is shaking. What's going on? Yeah, mom would be so proud that I'm in the dining eating. But the mom, shida. I know you're watching this. Please fix this. So the first episode of The Housewives. Let's talk about it, honey. Please comment down in the comment section what you think about the first episode. But by the time this goes up, probably other episodes will have come out. But so far, this is my first impression. I actually really liked it. I like the cast. I like the drama that's there. Although I don't know what was going on at the end with Ntalami. I don't know what that was. But everything else, so good. Susan Kaitani's outfits already on this first episode. Child. Why am I going to say child? That's so cringy. Babes. Beautiful. Amazing. I don't know if it's because I'm biased, but the stylist is Kayla. Kayla is the one who styled me for my birthday, which is now an honor. I'm just like, oh my gosh, she styled me first before Susan Kaitani, and she's really good at her job. So like you can see, look, all Susan Kaitani's outfits are amazing. I think she's the best dressed already so far in the show, and that's Kayla's work, you know. So good. Yeah, so I actually liked it. I think it's done very well. I think all of us were skeptical because of the first trailer. It wasn't done well, it wasn't collaborated well, but I loved it. And guys, yani me, regular old me was invited to a private screening party by Susan Kaitani. Hey! Hey! And let me just be honest, guys, when I got there, I felt like I was out of place. I felt like I was not supposed to be there. If you're on TikTok a lot, you know that guy who says Povo, you know?
Why? Because you're a povo.
I felt like a Povo.
Povo.
I felt like I should not be there. I felt at first I was really uncomfortable. I was like, it's like an imposter syndrome kind of thing. Like, I'm not supposed to be there. I'm not supposed to be having such opportunities. And I don't know where it came from, honestly. And it's not even the people who are around me are actually super nice. Angel was there. Sheila Palsenloff was there. My friend Stephanie, of course, Stephanie Yanks was there with me. And then even Maureen, my tutor, and everyone was super nice. But I don't know why I felt so out of place, to be honest. Guys, like I've said, Angel was there. Let me tell you, I love Angel. I love Angel lately. Like, I love her so much. And I've met her so many times. And I think I never get used to it. I'm always like starstruck. I'm like, it's you, Angel. And she's usually super, super nice. She even asked me if I got home safe. And I was like, oh my God, I don't even know what to say. You know, you meet somebody that you like, it's like you don't know how to act. You can't act no more. You can't act no more. She's always super, super nice. But it was such a nice event. I really actually enjoyed it, other than whatever that was what was going on in my head. But I really, really enjoyed it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna enjoy my salad, and then I'm gonna sit, have a meeting with myself, because when I even came back home, I was like, Mom, I felt this way, blah, blah, blah. So I think I need to figure out what's going on with me, because that has never happened before like that. Like, it was so weird. Anyway, so I'll just enjoy, like I said, the rest of my day. I don't know, I keep repeating myself, and I'll catch up with you guys later.